Stepan's MAKON UD series, a line of high-performance branched alcohol ethoxylates, can provide excellent performance and formulation benefits across a broad range of cleaning applications. Other non-ionics may be inconsistent in their cleaning performance of certain soils and hard surfaces. Stepan's MAKON UD products are effective at cleaning a variety of soils across a wide range of surfaces, even at reduced surfactant use levels. Another benefit of the MAKON UD series is their ability to generate lower foam volume and faster liquid drainage compared to common non-ionic surfactants. Consequently, while common non-ionic surfactants produce dense and wet foam, the MAKON UD series products produce a more fragile and dry foam. This makes them suitable for many cleaning applications, such as exterior vehicle care or I&I degreasing, where easier rinsing is desired. In addition, when you incorporate any one of the MAKON UD products into your formulation, you can expect faster dissolution than other common non-ionic surfactants. Fast dissolution can provide time-saving benefits, both in formulation and in end-use applications such as concentrates. For more information on our full non-ionic portfolio or to request a sample from our MAKON UD series, visit Stepan's website. Stepan's MAKON UD series are high-performing surfactants and a welcome addition to our expanding non-ionic portfolio. Turn to Stepan as your partner in solving formulation challenges.